Have you ever stared at a blank screen for 30 minutes trying to write a YouTube script and nothing comes to mind? You know the topic, you know the idea, but the words just won't come out. That used to be me. Until I discovered a simple way to let AI do 80% of the work while I control the creativity. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to write a professional YouTube script using AI in minutes, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact prompt to give AI, how to structure your script like top YouTubers, how to edit AI output to sound human, and how to turn it into voiceover using ElevenLabs. Let's start from the beginning. Most people make a mistake. They open AI and type, "Write me a YouTube script." That's wrong. Before AI, you need clarity. Ask yourself, who is this video for? What problem am I solving? What transformation will the viewer get? For example, this video helps beginners learn how to write scripts using AI. Now AI has direction. Now open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Write a storytelling YouTube script for a video titled, "How to Write Scripts Using AI Step by Step." Make it engaging, beginner-friendly, include timestamps, transitions, and a strong call to action. Duration, 8 minutes. This is powerful because you're telling AI the style, the structure, the audience, the length. AI works best when you give clear instructions. Within seconds, you get a full script, but don't copy it yet. AI gives you the skeleton, you add the soul. Here's how. Add personal lines like, "This used to be my problem." Shorten long sentences. Make it conversational. Remove robotic phrases. This takes only 3 to 5 minutes, but makes the script sound like you, not AI. Top YouTubers don't just talk, they keep attention. Add lines like, "But here's where it gets interesting. Most people don't know this. Here's the mistake everyone makes." These small phrases dramatically increase retention. AI won't always add them. You must. Now the magic part. Go to ElevenLabs. Paste your script. Choose a natural voice. Click Generate. In seconds, you have a professional voiceover that sounds human. No microphone, no recording, no background noise. Just clean, studio-quality narration. Many YouTube automation channels use this exact workflow. AI for writing, to human editing to AI voiceover. Because it saves hours and maintains quality, you're combining AI speed, human creativity, professional narration. That's the formula. Let's recap quickly. 1. Choose a clear topic. 2. Use a detailed AI prompt. 3. Edit to sound human. 4. Add hooks and flow. 5. Convert to voice with ElevenLabs. 6. Produce faster, better videos. If this video helped you, you're going to love what we do on AIVerse Labs. We break down how to use AI to create videos, scripts, and content like a pro, even if you're just starting. Subscribe now and check the description for the exact prompt I used in this video. See you in the next one.